We'll guide you through how to fix Gmail not working in Chrome. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop and click the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner to access the settings. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you check the boxes for cached images and files, cookies, and other site data, then click Clear Data. This helps in removing any corrupted cache or cookies that might be causing Gmail issues. Next, go back to the Settings menu and this time click on Privacy and Security again, but select Site Settings. Scroll down to Content and click on JavaScript. Ensure that JavaScript is allowed, as Gmail requires it to function properly. If it's not, toggle the switch to enable it. Now, let's check for any extensions that might be interfering. Go back to the three-dot menu, hover over More Tools, and click on Extensions. Disable extensions one by toggling them off, and see if Gmail starts working. Sometimes, a rogue extension can cause conflicts. If none of these steps work, try updating Chrome. Go to the three-dot menu, click on Help, and then About Google Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Finally, restart Chrome and try accessing Gmail again. These steps should help resolve most issues with Gmail not working in Chrome. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.